Okay, so let's take a look at how to block in Spectra page builder, and we will see how to add this in WordPress page or post. So first thing, go to WordPress dashboard, then click on plugins. Right, you can click on add new to check for this plugin. Type in Spectra and make sure that you have this plugin installed and activated. Now let's go to the pages where we wish to use this particular how to block. Click on edit that page. It will load based on the amount of plugins that you have for Gutenberg editor. Right, so for me that would take some time, so let's wait for it to load. Once loaded, so now what I can do, click on plus icon, then click browse all. Now within Spectra page builder block, what I can do is I will check for how to block. So h how to, and I will drop this here. Now here you can see it will try to show you that some of the fields are empty, right? So to use this, what we can do is simply check how this block works. It will show you that it adds this particular set of fields like total time, total cost, tools, things needed, and the step. So basically this is kind of like a schema given to you for tutorial type of content, so recipe or maybe doing some electronics or tech or board related content. So whenever you're making those sort of content, you can make use of how to block, so that you have some predefined fields that you can edit here on the right, like time taken, cost, right, then tools, right, then materials, then you also have style for your heading, typography, right, and then here secondary headings, description, spacing, right, and also the condition for advanced tab, right. So if we save this and check it on another page, let's take a look at how it works. You will notice that this block will be added at the end of the page, right? All of the preloaded content is on the page. So here you see, we scroll to the bottom, you will notice this how to block is here. You just have to configure the content, then add the required details, steps, and you have how to tutorial ready. So it just gives you the skeleton over which you can do the rest of the content editing and publish it. So this was how to block in Spectra page builder for WordPress.